5.7 5G network tablet with integrated handle. Android 12 GMS for seamless updates. MediaTek Dimensity 900 octa-core, 2.4 GHz processor. AI processor for enhanced intelligence. NFC and RFID for advanced interaction. 5MP plus 13MP camera for superior imaging. Wi-Fi 6 for high-speed connectivity. 3D scanner for efficient data capture. 33W fast charger for quick power replenishment. Removable 10,000 mAh battery for extended use. Pogo pin with charging dock for convenience. 5G network support with 2** SIM plus 1** DF card option. 2** PSMA for added functionality. Customizable hardware and software with OTA updates. Strong R&D, long-term support, turnkey solution. Contact us 3w.iqunl.com.cn